Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional, having the right drill set can make all the difference in your projects. Today, we're diving into the 5 best drill sets that will elevate your tool collection and help you tackle any task with ease. If you want to see more information on the updated price of the products, make sure to check the product links down below in the description box. So, let's get started. Number 5. Craftsman Cordless Drill Kit. This isn't just a drill, it's a game changer. With the Craftsman 20-volt, you get power, precision, and portability, all in one compact package. The heart of this beast is its high-performance motor, delivering a whopping 280 unit watts out. That's enough power to handle wood, metal, and plastic with ease, whether you're drilling or fastening. Need precision or speed? The 2-speed gearbox has got you covered. With speeds of 0 to 350 RPM for controlled fastening and up to 15 RPM for quick drilling, you can switch tasks effortlessly. Convenience is key, and this drill delivers. The 1x2-inch keyless chuck allows for quick and easy bit changes, saving you valuable time. And the built-in LED light? It's a lifesaver for those dimly lit workspaces, ensuring you never miss a detail. Let's talk about power. The included 20-volt max lithium battery provides ample runtime, so you can work uninterrupted. And when it's time to recharge, the fast charger gets you back to work in 60 minutes or less. No downtime, no problem. At just the right size and weight, the Craftsman is built for comfort and ease. Its compact, lightweight design makes it perfect for tight spaces, and the ergonomic grip ensures it feels great in your hand, even during long projects. So, whether you're a seasoned DIYer or just starting out, the Craftsman Cordless Driver Kit is the versatile, powerful, and reliable tool you've been waiting for. It's not just a tool, it's your project partner. Number 4. Bosch GSR 120Li Wireless Electric Drill. First, let's talk about the design. The Bosch GSR 120Li features a rubber-coated, ergonomic handle that provides a comfortable grip for extended use, making it perfect for those long work sessions. The compact size and lightweight design make it easy to maneuver, even in tight spaces. One of the standout features of this drill is its forward and reverse rotation capability. Whether you're drilling or driving screws, you can quickly switch between the two directions to suit your task. It's simple to adjust and perfect for a variety of jobs. This drill comes with a 20-level torque adjustment system, which allows you to set the right amount of force for any job. With a maximum torque of 30 Nm in hard mode and 14 Nm in soft mode, you can prevent over-tightening or damaging your workpiece, giving you full control every time. Thanks to the stepless speed control, the drill automatically adjusts its speed based on how much pressure you apply. And if you need to stop instantly, the emergency stop function kicks in the moment you release the button. That's added safety and precision all in one. Another great feature of this drill is the dual mode. You can easily switch between screwdriver mode for tightening screws and drilling mode for making holes in various materials. This makes it a versatile tool for any project. Working in dimly lit areas? No problem. The Bosch GSR 120Li comes with an integrated LED illumination, which helps light up your workspace, ensuring you don't miss a beat, even when the lights are low. With the 2-speed mechanical adjustment, you get 2 distinct speed ranges. First gear, with a speed range of 0 to 400 RPM, is perfect for screwing tasks. Second gear, with a range of 0 to 15 RPM, gives you the power you need for drilling through harder materials like metal, ceramic tiles, and brick walls. Switching out bits is easy too, thanks to the 3-jaw chuck clamping system, which has a range of 1 to 10 millimeters. It holds the bits securely, ensuring a stable and precise job every time. The Bosch GSR 120Li comes with a 12-volt Li-ion battery, which is perfect for longer use. And with the ECP battery protection, you don't have to worry about overcharging or overheating. The system monitors the battery's voltage, temperature, and even leakage, so it's always safe and ready to go. So, if you're looking for a powerful, reliable, and easy-to-use drill for your next project, the Bosch GSR 120Li wireless electric drill is definitely worth considering. With features like stepless speed control, a dual mode system, and a comfortable ergonomic handle, It's got everything you need for a perfect job every time. Number 3. Dewalt DCD703 Cordless Drill. This compact powerhouse offers incredible flexibility, making it the ultimate tool for working in tight spaces, all while delivering top-tier performance. Let's break down the features that make the Dewalt DCD703 a must-have for your toolkit. The DCD703 comes with 4 dedicated attachment solutions perfect for any project you throw at it. First, we have the 1x4-inch hex right angle attachment, which is perfect for drilling and fastening in confined spaces. Need to reach that tricky corner or fasten something under a sink? This attachment has you covered. Next up, the 1x4-inch hex quick release offset accessory, which allows you to access those tight corners, ensuring you get the job done even in the most awkward positions. For precision tasks, the 3x8-inch ratcheting chuck attachment is a game changer. Whether you're drilling small pilot holes or working with larger drill bits, this attachment provides unmatched control. And to keep your bits organized and within reach, the 1x4-inch hex magnetic bit holder is built right into the tool for quick and easy access. With its compact, lightweight design weighing just 0.7 kg without the battery or attachments, the DCD703 easily maneuvers through those hard-to-reach spots, like cabinets, window locks, and plumbing areas. It's the perfect tool for projects around the house or for pro-grade jobs. Now, let's talk about control. The Dewalt DCD703 is built for versatility with 2-speed transmission and 15 clutch settings, giving you complete control for everything from delicate tasks to heavy-duty work. Whether you're drilling into wood, metal, or tackling rough-in work for plumbing and electrical, the brushless motor inside delivers pro-grade efficiency, ensuring optimal runtime and performance. And if you're working in low-light conditions, don't worry. The DCD703 has a built-in LED footlight that brightens up your workspace, so you can see exactly what you're doing. One of the standout features of this drill is the quick-release 1x4-inch hex attachment, which allows for one-handed loading of bits. This means no more fumbling around or losing time when you need to switch tools quickly. So, whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional, the Dewalt DCD703 is the tool that gives you the versatility and power you need to get the job done right. From tight spaces to precision drilling, this compact powerhouse can handle it all. Number 2. Milwaukee M18 FDD3 Drill. The Milwaukee M18 FDD3 drill is an incredibly powerful and compact tool, designed to tackle a wide range of applications with ease. This M18 Fuel 1x2-inch drill driver, featuring the advanced power state brushless motor, provides outstanding performance with 1400 lbs of torque, making it one of the most powerful drills in its class. With a length of just 6.9 inches, it's built to access tight spaces while minimizing fatigue during use. Its auto-stop control mode enhances safety by preventing over-rotation during a bind-up, and the dedicated auto-stop light on the foot of the tool alerts users when protection is activated. The drill features a durable 1x2-inch all-metal chuck with carbide teeth, providing maximum grip and bit retention for secure drilling. The mechanical clutch ensures consistent driving across a variety of fasteners. For optimal efficiency, this drill delivers the fastest drilling and driving applications under load, and paired with the X 5.0Ah batteries, it provides unmatched runtime. The all-metal gear case and belt clip offer extra durability and portability, making it perfect for tough jobs. Additionally, the built-in LED light improves visibility in low-light conditions, ensuring you can work effectively in any environment. The Milwaukee M18 FDD3 drill is an excellent choice for professionals seeking power, safety, and reliability in their tools. Number 1. DeWalt DCD805 Max Cordless Hammer Drill. The DeWalt DCD805 20V Max Brushless Cordless 1x2-inch hammer drill kit is engineered to tackle demanding drilling and fastening tasks with ease. Whether you're a professional contractor or a DIY enthusiast, this versatile tool ensures high performance and durability for a wide range of applications. Now let's talk about the features. Powerful brushless motor. The DCD805 is equipped with a high-performance brushless motor, offering long-lasting power and efficiency. This motor ensures smooth operation while driving fasteners quickly into materials, even through tough surfaces. Hammer mode function. The hammer drill is capable of reaching up to 34,000 BPM, making it ideal for masonry and concrete applications. The integrated hammer mode function ensures precision when drilling through harder materials. Lightweight and compact design. Weighing in at just the right amount, this hammer drill is both well balanced and lightweight. It is perfect for extended use in tight spaces, reducing fatigue and improving comfort during prolonged work periods. Bright multi-mode LED light. The built-in 3-position pivoting LED light enhances visibility in low-light environments. Offering up to 70 lumens of brightness and 3 different modes, it ensures clear sight lines while working in dimly lit areas. Long-lasting battery. The kit comes with a 5.0Ah battery, providing longer runtime to finish tasks without interruptions. The included DCB118 charger ensures rapid charging, so you can get back to work quickly. Perfect for professionals. Built for heavy-duty applications, the Dewalt DCD805 is ideal for professionals who need a reliable, high-performance drill to handle everything from fastening to masonry drilling. Whether you're working in construction or tackling home improvement projects, this hammer drill will exceed expectations. The Dewalt DCD805 Max Cordless Hammer Drill is a powerful, efficient, and durable tool that delivers exceptional performance in a variety of tasks. So there you have it, 5 of the best drill sets out there. Whether you're working on small home projects or tackling tougher jobs, there's a drill set here for everyone. Do you have a favorite? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more tool reviews, and click the notification bell so you never miss an update. See you next time.